was beautiful.
She was, until that porco defiled her. I wish he'd just killed her. I wish he'd just killed La Mia Amata. People who saw her grow up cheered when he spat on her. Smiles on their faces when her neck...
I understand.
How can you? My Livia was innocent.
I have lost family to the rope. To treachery.
Il Carnefice watches from his home on the hill above. He threatens to hang me if I cut her rope.
When you are ready, take her down. I will deal with Il Carnefice.
Nice work down there.
Not my best. But it's hard to make art with poor materials.
Passo. Ah, not my father, lady. Thanks comes for you.
Requiescat in pace.
Go! Ora! No! Don't do it! Come, friend. I'm just doing my job, right? Come, friend. I'm just doing my job, right?
You won't survive any longer.
If I live, you'll die! Twice before doing something you'll regret. Come, friend. I'm just doing my job, right? How you feel about this beauty? I will actually enjoy this.
My need is much greater than
Not exactly broken.
Here!
I'll see this and You told me why there was so good. I love you, Christine. Friends of mine are revenge. It's my reward.
This is infuriating.
Ezio, what a surprise to see you here.
I thought you had sent for me.
Never. News of the Villa attack has spread across the city. We were certain that you were dead.
Not yet. I am still very much alive.
The Borgia must not discover that you escaped them. Follow me. Take care not to draw any undue attention.
When do I ever?
Calmati! What?
You would be wise to purchase missing equipment. You will not live long in Roma without supplies.
I have my blade.
Again, the Diacon of Dynasty.
And the guards have their guns, courtesy of the Borgia. Fortunately, I can help you.
Grazie.
While you are in my debt, perhaps you will listen to reason.
As soon as I hear some, I will let you know.
The best in Middle-earth! The best prices! I have a lot! Send me your meat.
Ben, now you can survive the journey back to Firenze.
Perhaps. But I'm not going to Firenze.
Oh.
There will be no peace until we rise up against the entire Borgia family and the Templars who serve them.
I do not recall such brave talk at Monteriggioni.
How could I have known that they would find me so quickly? That they would kill Mario?
Rodrigo surrounds himself with snakes and murder. Even his daughter Lucrezia has been sharpened into one of his most artful weapons. But she pales in comparison to the man behind the villa attack. He is ambitious, ruthless, and cruel beyond imagining. The laws of men mean nothing to him. He murdered his own brother to take power. He knows neither danger nor fatigue. Those who do not fall by his sword clamor to join his ranks. The powerful Orsini and Colonna families have been brought to kneel at his feet, and the King of France stands at his side.
Give me his name.
Cesare, head of the papal armies. What does he intend to do with his power? What drives the man? That I still do not know. But Ezio, Cesare has set his sights on all of Italia, and at this rate he will have it.
Is that admiration I hear in your voice?
He knows how to exercise his will. A rare virtue in the world today.
Such incredible fare! Whole kid, crowds of many kinds. Gesù che sei lassù.
Should we not travel by horse? Roma is quite large.
As Cesare's conquests in Romagna continue to succeed, and the Borgia grow in power, they have taken desirable areas of the city for themselves. We cannot use the stables here.
Oh, the will of the Borgia is law now?
What are you implying, Ezio?
Do not play dumb with me, Machiavelli.
Do you have some kind of plan?
I am improvising.
We are mad. You think you can escape?
I'm here with you! Let's show him forth! Forza Borgia! Let's kill this slug! Come on! Let's show him! Come on! Let's show him some Borgia! Forza Borgia! Let's come on! Let's show him some Borgia hospitality, boys! Forza Borgia! Che diavolo!
Just because you kill a few guards does not mean the people will grant access to the stables.
You are right. We need to send a signal. Wait here.
Guardia cavallo di Roma, fate a largo.
It seems the stable is now available for purchase.
After you.